When your Facebook performance it has been on green, all of a sudden it turns red. This is what to do. If this is what you are interested to know, and you know that this video is for you, please stay to the end and also subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that when I post a video, you will be notified. Dive into the way to remedy your Facebook issue, or when your performance has been green all this while, and you have been posting consistently, and you have been replying to people's video, but your performance is red instead of the normal green it used to be. Let's go. Yeah, this is my Facebook page. I want us to go and see how to remedy this situation. Before now, this is how my performance look like. Everywhere red, everywhere red, everywhere red. So I've been troubled. I was like, why will it be this way? So when I come to, this is my dashboard. Here I have my friend list. Then this is my professional dashboard. I open it, and this is weekly challenge, and this is a professional profile overview. So I come down here, and this is my post reach for the last 28 days, and this is my post engagement for the last 28 days, and this is my new followers. And my weekly challenge is left is just 37% for me to be able to complete my weekly challenge. Then here, click on see all level. Here, when you click on see all level, this is all the things you have to do. This is all the things you have to do and the things you have to participate. Weekly challenge, um, a regular a regular presence on Facebook can help can help grow your audience. So if you come down to this place, you will see the tasks that you have to do for that week, which is expected of you to do all of them before the week runs out. So what are you going to do here? The first thing you're supposed to do is to say here, grow to 10 new followers or friends, which for that week, that means you need to have 10 followers in a week or 10 friends in a week. Then here it say grow to 10 new followers or friends. Okay, it's the same thing. Say create 5 new public posts. That means in a week create 5 new public posts. Like you see my own here, I've created 4 out of 5, and here I have two followers for this week out of 10. Create new public content. So make your content consistently. Create new public content means that you should make sure you create content that draw attention to your channel every week. Make sure that you post something. I advise you to always post 3 times in a day. If you post in the morning, you post in the afternoon, you post in the evening. That is what they say. Create new content in a day. Like make sure that every day there is something that drop in your page. It's very, very important. Then here, get more reels, play and post interaction. Get more reels, get more posts. Like this week, I've not posted any reels and I've not posted any interaction. But one thing about these reels and posts is that they allow you to get more subscribers, more followers, and also allow you to get more viewers. It helps you to increase your views. Say get 300 more interaction on your post. Now this one you reach 500 new play on your reel. So the next thing here that you are supposed to do is, so what are you supposed to do when your performance turn red instead of green? What you're supposed to do is keep posting, keep doing more. Probably the last week or last time you did not put that effort that draw attention, that draw traffic to your page. So the only solution is for you to keep posting, and don't worry, the performance that turn red will also come back to turn green. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.